Okay, hi guys. It is Saturday, September 20th, I think, or 21st. I don't know. Say hi, Miss Mona.
Hi.
We are leaving my mom's house right now. I see it. And just dropped off Charlie because we are going to Hillsboro with Jeff's brother, and we are going to the air show. So I'm going to try to vlog as much as I can there. But this is like our first fun little outing, and she just wants to be on camera. Anyway, so we are driving right now back to our house, and I should probably not be vlogging while I'm driving. So I will message Uber. I will do more video as soon as we get there, and possibly on the way up there. Bye. Say bye.
When you were in the car and I asked you guys, do you guys like walking or taking a ride? And Mona goes, take a ride. You said, well, I don't know. You know, I kind of like both, but walk is kind of fast. It's okay with the walk. And then you said, well, I don't know.
We're here. Air show. We are waiting on Brian because we had to walk from to the car.
Just let me know where you wanna go.
There is a robot.
Do that home out on rings. They got a lot of nice girls.
Around the world as one of the best aerobatic pilots of all time as he sets up for the Hui Loop. An inside-outside loop
That's
with a tunnel
not
over
okay.
the top. The
Nope.
first half positive G's, the
Nope,
second
done.
half 6 negative G's. Sean has inspired a new generation of radio-controlled pilots, aircraft pilots, with their very lightweight, high-power,
It's a big old pile of notes right there.
ratio model aircraft to do things that full-scale aircraft could never do. They in turn have re-inspired Sean and caused him and his team to realize that his previous aircraft couldn't do what Sean wanted to do. This airplane
Holy cow.
120 pounds with an almost 400 horsepower motor on the top. Sean Tucker now holds it still, gets ready to go to zero airspeed, does the double hammerhead turnaround. A maneuver done by few other pilots in the world today. That's Sean D. Pushing away, inverted. Again, negative G's with all the blood rushing to his head. He has to be in superb physical condition to withstand the negative and the positive G forces that are exerted on his body. The flat spin and a quick recovery after 1 3/4 turns. He'll head on out to the right-hand side of the aerobatic box. Sean Tucker. This gentleman from Salinas, California, Sean D. Tucker, was initially afraid of flying. So he decided to take aerobatic training so he could become a more confident pilot. He since that time has accrued, as he does this flat frisbee turn, new to his routine in the last couple of years at this airplane, 21,000 hours of combined fixed and rotary wing. Actually, on Sunday of last week, that we celebrated the 200th anniversary of the writing of the words to the Star-Spangled Banner, a poem called The Defense of Baltimore. So we are really enjoying celebrating 200 years of our
Canada, our home and native land, true patriot love in all thy sons come. l'épopée des plus brillants exploits. God keep our land glorious and free. Oh, Canada, we stand on guard for thee. Oh, Canada, we stand on guard for thee.
Nice job, Twyla. Now, ladies and gentlemen, please remain standing for our Star-Spangled Banner.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rocket's red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof.
We are home now. It is 8:04 and we spent the whole day at the air show. It was really fun. It was awesome. I have quite a few clips in here. My back started hurting really bad afterwards, and I thought from here, like, it looks fine, and I had made it unscathed from the burn, but apparently not. I look like a lobster when you compare, but other than that, I can't really tell. Trying to look at my arms, I just changed my shirt too, so I never get burned ever, so I'm actually kind of excited about this, which is weird, but yeah, it came out pretty darn burnt. And we all put sunscreen on too, so we had a fun time. We just hung out with Brian, and then on the way home stopped and got ice cream and stuff, but the kids had a really good time. I had a good time. I have tons of pictures that I'm uploading. I not only took video on my iPod, but I have some on my phone and on my camera, which I need to plug into my laptop and upload, but it was fun. It was like 90 degrees, but my face is kind of right there now that I'm looking at it. Compared to it, yeah, I'm a little bit burnt. So I'm going to take a shower and wash all the sunscreen that doesn't seem to have helped me very much. And I'm going to go to bed. So I will talk to you guys later. And I guess enjoy the footage.